Here's how to create this cup masking effect. Go to InShot and import a flat lay image of a cup. Tap PIP and import your video as a layer. Scale your video and tap Mask. Press the circular mask and scale it accordingly. Now tap Sticker and pick out the Line Animation Sticker Pack to animate the steam. Stagger the duration of your stickers. Press the arrow to extend the sticker to the end of the clip. And here it is, your favorite cup of Deja Brew. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our